Creating a chart in Excel is easy. For example, click on the cell A1 or somewhere within this data range. Press the key combination Ctrl-A and this selects all the data until it hits a blank column and hits a blank row. To chart this particular data, press the function key F11. When you press F11, a new sheet is created called Chart 1 and the data that was selected is then plotted. To identify parts of your chart, first of all, the bottom axes. This is known, if I rest my mouse on this area, as the horizontal or category axis. If I move my mouse towards the vertical axis, this is known as the vertical or y-axis. To the right, we have what is known as the legend. These lines here that appear on the graph, these are known as major grid lines. The first blue set of bars are Series 1, the second set of bars which are red are Series 2, and the green set of bars are Series 3.